Hello friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Elena and I love all things makeup and beauty. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial of the palette from Nomad, the Ghost Town USA. And if you want to see how I created this look and you like this kind of content, then definitely keep on watching. So this is what the outside of the palette looks like. And this is what the inside of the palette looks like. Super beautiful. I love this palette. And I'm going to be doing multiple videos with multiple looks with this palette. And today's video is going to be the first video with the first look. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started. I'm going to go into the shade Ghost Town. And I'm going to go ahead and pack that color into my crease. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend that color. I'm going to go into Stagecoach Mary, and I'm going to go ahead and pack that on my outer eye like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend those two colors together. Then I'm going to be using a tapered blending brush and I'm going to blend both of those colors together. I'm also blending the outside edges so that way we have a good shape and we don't have any harsh lines either. And then I'm going into Ghost Town again. I'm going to go ahead and smudge that shadow on my lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and go into Calico, California, and I'm going to go ahead and put that shimmer on my outer half of my lid. I'm going to go ahead and go into Gold Rush, and I'm going to put that shimmer on my inner half of my lid. And I'm bringing the shimmer up just a little higher. I'm going in with Royalette Nevada. And I'm going to put that shimmer in my inner corner. I'm also going to put that just a little bit higher where I put that Gold Rush shade just so we had a blended shimmer. And I'm putting it a little in my lower lash line also. And this is the finished look. Very beautiful. I love this look so much. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will be back with a lot more makeup and beauty content. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, and stay safe. Bye.